Ever heard of a bank that served British royalty for over 2 centuries, only to be brought down by a single 28-year-old? This is the unbelievable story of Barings Bank and the man who single-handedly bankrupted it, Nick Leeson. In 1762, Barings Bank was founded. It was a pillar of the British financial world, managing accounts for Queen Elizabeth II herself. Fast forward to the early 1990s, when a young, ambitious trader named Nick Leeson was sent to Singapore to manage the bank's trading operations on the Singapore International Monetary Exchange. He was seen as a rising star, a golden boy generating massive profits. But behind the scenes, a disaster was brewing, hidden inside a secret account numbered with lucky 8s. In the fast-paced world of trading, mistakes happen. Normally, these small losses are reported and absorbed. But Nick Leeson decided to hide his. He created a secret error account, number 88888, a number considered incredibly lucky in Chinese culture. Initially, he used it to conceal a small loss made by an inexperienced colleague. But soon, he started using it to hide his own failed trades. To the outside world, and to his bosses back in London, Leeson was a genius. He reported staggering profits, earning himself millions in bonuses. In reality, the 88888 account was a black hole, swallowing millions of dollars in losses. The profits he reported were pure fiction, created to cover up the ever-growing debt. He was living a lie, and the pressure was mounting. By late 1994, the losses in the 88888 account had ballooned to over £200 million. Leeson knew he was in too deep. Instead of coming clean, he did what many desperate gamblers do. He decided to make one colossal bet to win it all back. He started making massive, unauthorized trades on Japan's Nikkei 225 stock index. He bet everything on the market going up. He essentially owned the market, making such large bets that he was single-handedly moving prices. He was confident that the Japanese economy was stable and that his gamble would pay off, erasing his secret losses and making him a hero. But then, on January 17, 1995, disaster struck. A devastating earthquake hit Kobe, Japan. The Nikkei index, which Leeson had bet his entire career on rising, went into a free fall. Instead of cutting his losses, he doubled down, buying even more contracts, hoping for a miraculous rebound that never came. Each point the Nikkei dropped added millions more to his mountain of debt. Back in London, the bank's executives were finally getting suspicious. The numbers just didn't add up. They demanded to see the money Leeson claimed he was making. But there was no money. Only a staggering loss of £827 million, which is over $1.3 billion today. This was more than twice the bank's entire trading capital. The oldest merchant bank in London was insolvent. When the scale of the fraud was uncovered, Leeson knew the game was up. He and his wife fled Singapore, leaving behind a simple note on his desk that said, "I'm sorry." A global manhunt ensued. He was eventually arrested in Germany and extradited back to Singapore, where he was sentenced to 6.5 years in prison. Barings Bank, a 233-year-old institution, was sold to the Dutch bank ING for the symbolic sum of just £1. The story of Nick Leeson became a chilling cautionary tale in the financial world, coining the term rogue trader and forcing banks worldwide to overhaul their risk management systems. It's a powerful reminder that no institution, no matter how old or prestigious, is too big to fail. Thanks for watching, and if you found this story as fascinating as I did, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into history's most incredible events.